Hello, my name is Ross Erickson. I'm the CNC machining instructor at the Cherry Creek Innovation Campus. I'm here today to just talk to you a little bit about the two courses that I teach. The course titles are CNC Machining 1 and CNC Machining 2. Both of these classes are classes that are designed to teach students how to manufacture highly engineered products such as valve covers for automobiles and different kinds of race car components, fuel pumps for airplanes and spacecraft. Basically anything that is going to be designed by an engineer and used in a high precision, high tech field, we connect with them because we make the parts for those people to get their products to be successful. So what we do in this class is we really teach students how to take big chunks of steel or aluminum such as this and convert them into products that are going to be used in the engineering field and all over the world. And the way we do that is we're using these machines like the one behind me. We go ahead and use these little things called cutters, and we program the computer and the equipment to go through and remove the chunks of material that are in the billets of material we start with, and we remove those pieces of material to create the products that we're actually hoping for to go into our engineered designs. So the class is a lot of fun. It's a hands-on course, so we spend most of our time on the machines, working with the CAD systems to design the parts and create the programs that run the machines. And we really try and get into some certifications. So if you pursue this field and come into my pathway, at the end of the second year, you'll be able to earn 2 industry credentials from the organization called the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. And these credentials that you would earn actually would allow you to get a job right out of high school as a machinist, making $35,000 a year plus benefits and things like that. So the field is in high need for all kinds of people who are interested in building and making things. And there's lots of really good job opportunities and lots of career advancement. If you decide that you want to go into an engineering school rather than going to work after high school, then this class is really good for you as well, because all of the engineering schools across the nation require students to use these machines in a first level design class that you would take as an engineering student. So once again, the name of the class is CNC Machining 1 and CNC Machining 2. Hope to see you in my class someday. It's a lot of fun, and I think you'd really enjoy it. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through the email system at the Cherry Creek Innovation Campus website. Once again, my name is Ross Erickson, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.